Nay? Nay, wala akong kasalanan. Pinagkaaisahan mo kami dito eh. Ah. Ah. Kami na ang bahala dito. Makakaya ho namin to. Huwag ko kayo mag-alala. Kayo na ho bahala. Sabihin kay Tatay Martin at sa mga... Maraming salamat, Nay. Mahal na mahal ho namin kayo.
Anong oras ang misa?
Mga alas 5 pa. May time pa tayo.
Alam naming may malaki kayong problema ni Aldo. Tutulungan namin kayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kaya lang, ba't hindi nyo sinasagot ang phone? Rose, kung nandiyan ka, gusto namin makipag-appointment. Kayong dalawa ni Aldo, gusto namin makausap. Rose, Rose, sagutin mo naman ang phone.
So, what time did she say she was coming? Not sure she should be here in a minute. I hope so. Mrs. Guzzi?
Yes.
I'm glad you could come. Sit down.
Thank you.
I am Mrs. Morris. Patricia Morris.
Hello.
As I told you on the phone, I'm the new foster mother of Mary Grace.
How's my daughter?
She's fine. She's a very bright child, and my family loves her very much. By the way, this is Dr. Luisa Almazan.
Hi.
She's also a Filipina.
Mabuti.
Mary Grace keeps asking about you, and I tell her that one day you'll see her very soon. What I'm doing right now is against the law, but the doctor has something very important to tell you.
I'm her children's pediatrician, and she asked me to examine Mary Grace. Mary Grace has not been molested. I examined her thoroughly. Yes, she has a broken hymen, but not because she was molested. And all these charges against Aldo are simply not true.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but I'm positive that the court won't believe you.
Why? Dr. Almazan is a very competent doctor.
Look, I'm not questioning her competence, but the court won't believe her because she is a Filipino. And she was not ordered by the court to examine your daughter. Her testimony won't be credible.
This is absurd. This man is being charged of a crime he did not commit. And I, who know the truth, will not be allowed to testify in his favor?
The best way is to get an independent court order, to get a doctor assigned by the court to re-examine your daughter.
Hindi inaprobahan ng korte ang request namin na kumuha sila ng ibang doktor. Nagpumilit kami. Nang sa wakas ay pumayag sila. Pero sila ang pumili ng doktor.